Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Combat Master Season 5 game not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, not loading error on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, now click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Now after your PC restarts, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to add launch arguments or modify launch arguments. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if the game is opening now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will take some time, wait for it. After the game files is verified, now try to launch the game again and then check if it's working or not. If not, next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, under library section, select your game, now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Now select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if the game is opening now. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue continues, then again come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU and GPU in the background, then it may lead to such kind of problem. So make sure you stop the overclocking of CPU and GPU in the background and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to close background task. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for task manager. Now under processes tab, you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. After selecting it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if your system have any antivirus program installed, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. Most of the time when you try to launch the game, then antivirus program stops you from playing the game and may occur several kinds of issues. So you are suggested to disable the antivirus program before you launch the game and then check. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add it, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After doing this, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now once the website opens, go below, click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. After you open it, you will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it and wait for some time. Now after it is installed, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and now try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall. Finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall Combat Master game or Combat Master Season 5 game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.